reviews.
This is their spinach, their baby spinach leaves, which I love to add to my smoothies. Also, I love to make salads out of them. So this company is Organicgirl, and they have a bunch of different greens and salad mixes. And what's great about this is all their products are organic, and they're triple washed, and their container is made out of recyclable materials. I discovered this brand a couple years ago. I usually buy them in Whole Foods, and they became my favorite pre-washed greens mixtures because they always stay the freshest. I would recommend this for anyone that's looking for something easy and quick to add to smoothies or to make a salad from.